Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen resolution in Windows 11. Adjusting the screen resolution can improve your display quality and make everything look better, whether you're working, gaming, or watching videos. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Once the Settings app opens, go to the System section on the left-hand side and click on Display. This is where all your screen-related settings are managed. Now scroll down a little until you see the section called Display Resolution. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available resolutions for your monitor. Windows will recommend the best resolution for your screen, and you'll see the word Recommended next to it. To change the resolution, simply select a different option from the drop-down menu. Once you make a selection, your screen will adjust to the new resolution. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to keep the changes. If the new resolution looks good, click Keep Changes. If not, click Revert to go back to your previous setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy Tech Steps, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.